Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Jordan Peterson, and I am here to talk to you about the philosophical and metaphysical significance of space travel and the rapidly expanding space industry. First, let me begin by saying that space travel has been a dream of humanity for centuries. The idea of reaching out beyond our planet into the vastness of the universe has always fascinated us. But in recent years, the space industry has exploded in growth, with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin making incredible strides in space exploration and technology. Now, you might be wondering what this has to do with philosophy and metaphysics. Well, let me explain. As human beings, we are always searching for meaning and purpose in our lives. We want to understand who we are, where we come from, and where we are going. And space travel provides us with a unique opportunity to answer some of these fundamental questions. For example, when we explore the universe, we are not only learning about the physical nature of the cosmos, but also about our own place within it. We are gaining a deeper understanding of our origins and our relationship to the rest of the universe. Furthermore, space travel allows us to confront the limits of our knowledge and understanding. As we push the boundaries of what is possible, we are forced to confront our assumptions and beliefs about the universe and our place in it. This can be a deeply philosophical and metaphysical experience. But space travel is not just about exploring the universe. It is also about expanding the frontiers of human civilization. As we explore new worlds and establish colonies on other planets, we are creating new opportunities for humanity to grow and thrive. We are extending the reach of our species beyond our planet and opening up new possibilities for the future. Space travel allows us to confront the limits of our knowledge and understanding. When we look out into the universe, we are faced with a vast and seemingly infinite expanse of space. And yet, despite this, we are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible, using technology and ingenuity to explore further and further into the unknown. This can be a deeply philosophical and metaphysical experience, as it forces us to question our assumptions and beliefs about the universe and our place within it. For example, as we discover new planets and potentially even other forms of life, we are forced to confront the idea that we are not alone in the universe. This can be a humbling and awe-inspiring experience, as it reminds us of our own smallness and insignificance in the grand scheme of things. This is a deeply philosophical and metaphysical idea, as it challenges us to think about the future of humanity and our place in the universe. For example, as we establish colonies on other planets, we are forced to consider what it means to be human and what our role is in the grand scheme of things. We are also forced to think about the long-term sustainability of human civilization and what it means to be a responsible steward of the universe. As I mentioned earlier, space travel is not just about exploring the universe, but also about expanding the frontiers of human civilization. And in recent years, we have seen a renewed focus on travel to the moon and Mars, with both NASA and private companies like SpaceX making significant strides in this area. Travel to the moon, in particular, has the potential to be a major milestone for humanity. The moon is not only our closest celestial neighbor, but it also holds many scientific and technological mysteries that we have yet to uncover. By exploring the moon, we can gain a deeper understanding of its geology, its history, and its potential for human habitation. Furthermore, travel to the moon also offers us the opportunity to establish a permanent presence on another celestial body. This could be a major step forward for humanity, as it would allow us to extend our reach beyond our own planet and establish a foothold in the universe. It would also provide us with valuable experience and knowledge that could be used to help us prepare for future missions to Mars and beyond. And speaking of Mars, travel to the Red Planet is another area of focus for the space industry. Mars is a fascinating destination with a rich geological history that offers many scientific opportunities for exploration. By sending humans to Mars, we can gain a deeper understanding of the planet and its potential for human habitation. As I mentioned earlier, travel to the moon and Mars has the potential to be a major milestone for humanity, as it would allow us to establish a permanent presence on another celestial body. And while this is certainly an exciting prospect from a scientific and technological standpoint, it also has some profound philosophical implications. For example, the idea of colonizing the moon and Mars challenges us to think about what it means to be human. Are we simply a product of our environment, or do we have some inherent qualities that make us unique? And as we establish colonies on other planets, are we bringing our own humanity with us, or are we creating something entirely new and different? Furthermore, the idea of colonizing the moon and Mars also forces us to think about our relationship with the universe. Are we simply one part of a vast and complex ecosystem, or are we something more? And as we explore and settle other worlds, are we taking our place in the universe as responsible and benevolent stewards, or are we simply claiming territory for ourselves? These are deep and complex philosophical questions, and they are not easily answered. But as we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in space exploration, we will be forced to confront them head-on. And as we do, we will gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. As I mentioned earlier, space travel and the rapidly expanding space industry are not just about scientific progress, but also about philosophical and metaphysical exploration. And at the heart of this drive to explore is a deep and fundamental human desire to understand our place in the universe. From a metaphysical perspective, this drive to explore is rooted in our desire to understand the fundamental nature of reality. We want to know what the universe is made of, how it works, and why it exists. And as we explore the universe, we are constantly seeking out new information and knowledge that can help us to answer these fundamental questions. Furthermore, the drive to explore is also rooted in our desire to connect with something larger than ourselves. We want to feel a sense of awe and wonder at the vastness and complexity of the universe, and to understand our place within it. And as we explore the universe, we are constantly seeking out new experiences and perspectives that can help us to connect with something larger and more profound than ourselves. In conclusion, space travel and the rapidly expanding space industry are not just about scientific progress, but also about philosophical and metaphysical exploration. They offer us the chance to deepen our understanding of ourselves, our place in the universe, and the possibilities for human civilization. By pushing the boundaries of what is possible, we are taking steps towards a future where humanity can thrive and flourish beyond our own planet. And as we continue to explore the universe, we are sure to uncover new insights and truths that will shape our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. Thank you for listening. This presentation was written by ChatGPT from OpenAI, illustrated by Stable Diffusion, and narrated by Real-Time Voice Cloning Toolbox. For more information, visit their respective sites. Generated materials were edited by Bailey C. and published at Rocket Science Gallery on YouTube. This production is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only, and to demonstrate the capabilities of modern technology. If you haven't picked up on it by now, this is not Jordan Peterson speaking.